Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy this video. I have a couple of recipes in this video. That was just an afternoon tea, and I thought I'll share with you the recipes. I have the cupcakes and the puff pastry cinnamon rolls, and I will hope you're gonna like it. So first we're gonna do the puff pastry cinnamon rolls. Very easy to do. It takes a few minutes to make. So I have brown sugar, little bit of brown sugar. I have puff pastry. I bought it from the shop, and I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. I just mix it really well with the brown sugar, and then I have a little bit of melted butter that I'm gonna brush all over the pastry. Just brush it all over with the pastry. You can mix the butter with the sugar and cinnamon and then just add it on top, but I mean just make sure that you brush it all over. And that's it really. Then I'm gonna add the cinnamon powder and brown sugar all over the pastry. Cover the whole thing with it. You can put as much as you want. I'm just gonna cover the whole thing with it. You can add raisins as well if you like. And then from the side I'm gonna go ahead and turn the pastry in the small like circles, like a snail kind of way, and keep going, like tightening it up until you reach the end. As you can see, so if you can have the paper that pastry came with, it will be like helping you a lot to roll it, and keep going until you reach the end, and just press down the ends so they can stick together. And then I'm gonna take the cling film. Is it called cling film, I think? And I'm gonna put the pastry on top in it, and I'm gonna cover it with it completely, like tight it, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a couple of hours and until it's become a little bit hard, so it will be easy for me to cut. Then I'm gonna, with the sharp knife, I'm gonna cut it to circles, as you can see. And then to store them, I'm just gonna use this box. I'm gonna put them like a cling film between them. Is it cling film? I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's called cling film. So I'm gonna keep them like that in the freezer. Whenever you want some, just take it out and put it straight away on in the oven. As you can see, and just size the box properly and put it in the freezer. Whenever you feel like it, is just take out a few and put it in the oven. And as you can see, there we go, I made here a few. So crunchy and smell delicious with the cinnamon and the brown sugar. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of icing sugar on the top, just a sprinkle. And there you have it. Very easy recipe. You can do it and just freeze it and use it whenever you want. And the second recipe is gonna be the cupcakes, these chocolate Nutella cupcakes. So the first thing we're gonna do, I have 180 grams of flour, just plain flour, pinch of salt. I have a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. I have 25 grams of cocoa powder and 250 grams of sugar. I'm just gonna mix all of this together, and then I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of instant coffee, just to give it more flavor. If you don't like the coffee, you don't have to do it. And then I have 1 egg, and I have vanilla, I have here buttermilk, 240 ml of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use natural yogurt. And also I have 80 ml of oil. So I'm just gonna mix all of it together. The oven, of course, 180. So I already opened it to warm up. And then lastly, I'm gonna add a cup of milk, just cold milk, normal cold milk. Like a small cup. That's it really. I'm just gonna add them now to the cases, the cupcake cases, and put them straight away on the oven until they're cooked through. So after they come out of the oven until they completely cool down, I'm gonna make a hole in the middle to add Nutella inside. So it doesn't have to be a Nutella as well, you can use any brand. So as you can see here, I made those holes in the middle and I'm gonna add Nutella. So this video is actually, I made this video a long time ago, not now. I just didn't get a chance to actually, you know, post it. For the icing, I'm gonna use here 250 soft butter. I'm gonna beat it up like about 7 minutes, about 5 to 7 minutes in a high speed. I have here cocoa powder, 25 grams of cocoa powder. And I'm gonna add a couple of tablespoons of Nutella. And then I'm gonna beat it up again, and lastly I'm gonna add 250 ml of double cream. And then when the cream is ready, I'm gonna pipe it onto the cupcakes. I think that part is actually I couldn't find it to add it to the video, so I just put them on those lovely cupcakes cases, and then I put a little bit of sprinkles on the top. So I didn't put any sugar on the icing because the Nutella is very sweet, so I didn't put any sugar. And that's it. I'm just gonna decorate it with those chocolate sticks. And there you have it, Nutella cupcakes. And cinnamon roll with Moroccan tea. And the cake, I didn't give it make the recipe, but it's just normal chocolate cake with Nutella on top. Hope you liked the video, and I will see you again soon. Bye.